Filtering data in Shots2Hole is one of the most powerful tools you have at your disposal. It can be done in any of the statistics tabs, and when you see this sort of drop box here, and there's 4 of them, these 2 triangles allow you to access the list. And in various formats, same look but positioned differently throughout each one of these tabs, you'll see those filter boxes existing. You can also use this function in the analysis tool. There's 2 of them there for you to use, and also in the ad hoc goals you'll see those same filter boxes. To use them, it's really easy. Click on whichever column or space that you'd like to use, and here you have the list of the filtering options. The top 2 on the list are specifically for players that you have permission to coach. You can use their data, and this is where you'd access it. The next 3 on the list, player category, handicap, and score range, is where you start bringing in information from our database to compare to your player. For example, our golfer here is shooting 77. I might say, well, how does he compare to other golfers within a similar score range? I'm going to go 77 to 79, and I'm ensuring that everyone here is checked, and males, because this person is a male. So I can start seeing the differences. The other items, from date range all the way down, are specific to the player that we're using. You can filter in all sorts of different ways, and there'll be more tutorial videos on each one of these features. But it's really worth noting that if you want to access our database using the score range, this is the option you'd use. The score ranges down here are actually specific for the player. So have a bit of a play around and start seeing what information you would like to bring up, and just experiment to see what it is and the sorts of things you can do.